Victoria what?
Who's Victoria?
Is there a Victoria?
I don't know her. Is she a real person?
Hi angels! I know we all tuned in to the Victoria's Secret fashion show this year, and let me just tell you guys, I was hypnotized. So today, me and you and I, we made it our mission to channel our inner Victoria's Secret angel energy and become one of them. I did everything from hair to makeup to outfit to truly be able to feel like a Victoria's Secret angel. So come along besties and let me show you guys how to become a Victoria's Secret angel. Let's go. Step number 1 is hair. What's the first thing you notice from a Victoria's Secret angel? Their bombshell blowout. That voluptuous hair with the bouncy ass curls. That's what makes a Victoria's Secret angel. I got out of the shower. This hair is just not giving Victoria's Secret angel energy. We both know it's giving... It's not looking cute. I'm gonna be using my Dyson. When it comes to Victoria's Secret blowouts, I don't really think it matters if it's more curly or more straight. What matters is that it's a big bouncy blowout. I'm gonna go with some leave-in conditioner just because this smells absolutely bombalicious. We are definitely using a good amount of heat on our hair today, so I'm going to be using a heat protector. Not only is it protecting my hair, but it also dampening it up a little bit more to be able to use the Dyson. Look at this little bag. So I am actually going to be using a round brush for this section. I just feel like it works the best. I am going to blow it upwards. That's the way we're gonna have the roller. It is now time for these pieces right here. So we're gonna get rid of this round brush and I'm gonna put in this fatter attachment right here. I'm gonna grab semi-thick pieces, curl it away from my face and then pin it up. Now I'm gonna collect it and it kind of already has like that little swoop effect going on and pin. Now this section is all pinned up and we're just going to continue. We have this much hair left. And voila, these are the pin curls. We are going to let this settle in for a little while. I might even do my makeup, do literally whatever, because the waiting process is key. Step 2, the makeup. I think their eyeshadow is like what makes it for me. They're just so glowy, but in a way that is just so angelic, literally. For primer, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer and make sure that this skin looks absolutely beautiful. Now for my base, I want something that's going to give me coverage, but is gonna be light enough where my skin looks gorgeous and glowy. So I'm gonna start off by using the Merit complexion stick. Literally just gonna place this wherever I feel like I need it to give me that extra glow and just the tiniest bit extra of coverage. I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Look at how beautiful that is making my skin look. Now it's time to sculpt out our face. I'm gonna be using the Makeup by Mario contour. I feel like their face is so... I'm being generous. Their blush is always just such a specific color. I think this is the closest shade I have to that. I'm gonna try to keep it in this very specific area. I'm gonna be using a lot of pink for my lids, so whatever product is left over on this blush brush, literally just gonna go ahead and messily put it on my eyelid. Now it's time for the bright under eye. Definitely need some coverage in this department. I'm gonna use this lighter shade here in the outer corners and in the very inner corner. I'm gonna pick up this lip stain right here from Etude. This is gonna make such a difference. It just makes my lips look so perfect. Now it's time to blend out the concealer. I'm just gonna start off on the outer edges, blend up to really lift up my face. Going in with the powder right under my eyes, and whatever leftover powder I have, I'm gonna go over to the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna go in with this Hoola bronzer and just bronze up my whole face. Powder blush, I'm gonna use the same Patrick Ta She's a Doll, and I'm just gonna use their powder. Whatever's left over on my brush, I'm putting on my lids because I want my lids to be pink. I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced palette. It's Aptly in Love, and I'm gonna do the shade Sweet on You here on my lid. Inner corner to a little bit like to the middle, I guess. I think that's a good amount. It's there, you can see her. And I think now I'm literally just going to pack on this pink shade in this palette, in the Dior one. pack it over the white that we just did. To create a small wing, I'm going to be using the Epic ink liner from NYX. I just want to lengthen my eye. I'm going to add this black pencil liner from Milk just in like the inner corner of my waterline. For mascara, I'm just going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic to make my lashes pop. Everyone knows this is my absolute favorite mascara. I'm gonna use this Glossier Enhancing Pencil in shade Grip to line my lip. Glossier Ultra Lip in shade Cranberry right on top. I think it's time to officially take this hair out. Look at that bounce. Look at this hair. It is bouncy. It is time to take out one of the most important ones. Oh, I'm just grabbing a little bit of hair oil. I'm not necessarily brushing them out. I'm just kind of like putting it like if I was gonna do a ponytail. Look at this. I am Victoria's Secret Runway ready. I am. Now finally, step number 3, outfit. It's the last thing that you need to really feel like you're a part of that Victoria's Secret runway. What is the staple in Victoria's Secret runway? The robes. We all know the robes. Doesn't matter, you don't have to have the exact runway robes. I want it so bad and I will get it. I will get it. And then find the cutest bra you own. Get those angel wings and girl, you're ready to go on that runway. I'm gonna do this little lace pink bra I recently got. And right on top, I'm just gonna have my Victoria's Secret robe. I just feel like having the bra peeking through the robe right on top, it feels like you just got done with hair and makeup and you're about to pop out and go to the runway. And right on top, I'm gonna put on the wings. So let's change into our little outfit. And I think after this, we're really gonna feel that Victoria's Secret angel energy come through. Guys, so I have these angel wings. You could get these literally from anywhere, from Amazon, from Party City, from literally any costume place. So you can be a little angel. And then this robe, this is a Victoria's Secret robe. It literally says Victoria's Secret back here. For bottoms, I'm literally just wearing my Brandy PJ set bottoms. This is a baby pink lace Victoria's Secret bra and it has like little gems all over it. I love how I feel right now. I love it, I love it, I love it. Ah! Okay, I have 2 of my friends here and we're officially watching the Victoria's Secret fashion show. So we're all in like Victoria's Secret attire. To watch the show, we're gonna be making some popcorn. You guys can talk. Should we... Ugh, I'm sorry, no. I was gonna say a bad idea.
Wait, what?
Do you want a drink?
I'm kind of down.
Me too. We're gonna see who can do the best runway strut.
No, wait, no.
You're like literally jumping.
I'm looking at you through that.
You can do it. You can do it. Okay.
Lights, camera, angel.
Oh wow, she looks amazing. I love it.
That's it. It does smells is white.
Wow, she's so
pretty. Oh my god, she looks great.
Okay, angels, that was all. You guys look so beautiful. It looks like you're about to strut down that runway. This has been one of my favorite videos to film because I have never felt so confident and I hope you guys feel the same. I had so much fun doing my hair, doing my makeup, picking out a cute little outfit, and I'm not even going anywhere. Oh my god.